Team Fortress 2, there are 9 classes, and among those classes are the Soldier. The Soldier has many abilities, such as shooting rockets, for example. One of, if not his most known ability, is to be able to rocket jump to higher places. Is that physically possible in real life? Well, no. If you tried to do it in real life, you'd probably end up like this. But even the in-game version has some science to it. First, rocket jumping can apply with physics with the law of conservation of energy. This law states that energy isn't simply created or destroyed, but is transferred from one thing to another. In this case, rocket jumping relates to this because the energy of the explosion from the rocket is transferred to the soldier, resulting in a rocket jump as this example shows. Another thing is Newton's 3 laws of motion. To shorten this though, I'm just going to talk about the first 2. Newton's first law is where an object that is at rest stays at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force, and vice versa. Rocket jumping also applies to this law because before you shoot the rocket, you're not moving unless you move yourself, but after the rocket jump, you would keep moving until you hit the ground, which is the unbalanced force, using this example. Newton's second law states force equals mass times acceleration, or acceleration equals force divided by mass, etc. Which means that the force depends on both your own mass and acceleration you're going. This applies to rocket jumping because the more rockets you fire at your feet, the faster you go, thus increasing acceleration, shown by this example. This is a conclusion. Dear God, there is more. No. Can rocket jumping be possible? Probably not, unless we figure out a way to become invulnerable to anything or have both light and functioning armor. It won't be possible. But if you take that factor out, then rocket jumping still applies to physics in many different ways. The more rockets you fire at your feet, the faster you go, thus increasing God, why did I say increasing twice? I don't understand my brain here.